Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at three-syllable word stressing. How do you stress a three-syllable word? How do you do that? Now we're going to find out that for a three-syllable word, the stress can be on the first syllable or the second for some words, for some three-syllable words, and also in the third for some three-syllable words. So let's look at these cases that we have. The first case is where we have the stress on the first syllable. So like I said, the stress may fall on the first, second, or third syllable. So for such words that have the stress on the first syllable, that is for three-syllable words. So we have words like motherly, motherly. So the stress is on this first syllable, motherly. Institute, as is indicated, you can see the capital letter, the syllable with the capital letter. The syllable with this capital letter is the one stressed. Photograph, photograph. Hopelessly, brotherhood, minimum. So all these trisyllabic words have the stress on the first syllable. Now we look at the stress, the three-syllable words that have the stress on the second syllable. Now we'll talk about the motion, tomorrow, operator, paternal, redundant, bombastic, abandon, apprentice. So all these words, all these trisyllabic words have their stress on the second syllable. Now let's look at three-syllable words that have the stress on the last or the third syllable. We look at words like underweight, warranty, understand, overstate, brigadier. So all these other words have the stress on the last syllable. So very, very importantly, you need to look at all these words and note how you can stress them. So this is the continuation to our lectures in stress. Please, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button immediately so that you'll be able to get our lecture videos whenever they drop. Thanks for your support and subscription. God bless you.